First thing is that there's no photography allowed in this building.
Sure there is. I'm here to discuss a very serious life-threatening situation that you have going on here at this post office.
Okay, let's see.
I'm out here to talk about a camera. So can we walk down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about?
I'm not your personal employee, so you can just tell me what the issue is, and I can look into it.
You only have one means of egress from this building for the customers. That's a national fire code violation.
Okay.
That needs to be corrected right now, immediately.
Okay. So, under advised, I need you to stop filming now. There's no photography allowed in this building.
You're absolutely incorrect.
Okay. So I'm going to call the police. And
That's up to you.
Let them sort it out.
Okay, and then I'm going to have the fire marshal come down here. And
That's fine. We just had a fire inspection, so that's fine. Let's do that.
You had your fire inspection before you locked the door in the back.
Not to do that either. They're harassing our staff, federal employees, about a supposed egress problem. I've asked them to identify themselves. They don't have the courage to do that, but they've got the courage to violate these other problems. So they need to leave.
Okay. Well, are you guys going to take off or are you going to hang out here?
Well, are you going to inform him on what the law is?
In particular, what?
First of all, we are allowed to take video on this property, and I'll tell you why. You're not going to interrupt me. There's something called Poster 7, which is hanging in the lobby, which is the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property, which specifically gives us the right to do what we're doing. Okay? There's a section, paragraph on photography.
Right
now, wait, let me.
That's a federal.
No.
I don't care.
Well, if you don't care, I'm not going to talk to you.
That's a federal thing.
I don't want
have anything to do with that.
Okay.
That's a federal
Well, then
deal.
tell them to call federal police.
As far as
well, then you're not federal police.
Staying here though, that's trespassing.
No, it's not.
So I can't have you go back inside if they're telling you to.
No, it's not. No, call FPS. You're wrong. And I don't want to sue you. So
Okay.
you're wrong. I'm trying to educate you.
Can I ask why we're doing this today?
Can I give you
because
the-
you're just here causing a scene. I understand what you guys do.
No. Listen to
It's
me.
literally
All right,
just
stop
to cause
speaking
a
and
scene.
listen to what I'm telling you.
No, you
Okay?
don't-
There is a Department of Homeland Security memo dated 2018, which gives me express
can you show me
permission to
that?
do what I'm doing. Bring it up on your phone. Google it.
How about you bring it up on your phone?
2018
Show me, man.
memo on
Show me.
photography. I know what it is.
All right.
So if you trespass me from this property, you're violating my rights and you're going to have a very serious lawsuit. So I would check with your supervisor, a sergeant, a chief, district attorney's office, or whoever you want to talk to, and they're going to tell you that I have the right to be here. I assure you. Don't make the mistake.
Even though
Officer
they're telling
Grusin.
you-
Yes, he's just misinformed. Yes.
Okay. So
check with your
No, no.
supervisors, and if
Well,
your
here's the
supervisor
thing.
wants me to leave, I'll leave, and then I'll file the lawsuit. I don't want
you want me to get a
to.
supervisor?
I want to name you personally.
okay. Well,
Yeah,
we'll
let's get a
we'll
supervisor. Let's do
then. All
that.
right.